No two away, Willow Bonnie, Willow Boy, Willow Botton La Yena, Omera away, Willow Bonnie, Willow Boy, Willow Botton La Woman.
Ah, la da tiu ram wa koma don jana. Yan ni na cheli o jama. Kira kada te dum gon ben wa pe da te. Chene cham. Pe me and the meeting you do with na cham. Willow Bomeo Joma.
Dan gua mai de ka ku bara.
Anda ol ki winu lo ke dek wa. Ma mi ni e ma romu. A jet bo buru ci wa ci pe ye. Ka ke ci ne ke ci ye lu ya jet bo buru cha ti ka ma ko ko.
And me o maro, me o kilong. Willow Bomeo kid my ye miro. And me o maro, and me o kilong. The two away. Willow Bomeo.
Ma no pa ti cham. Ti o cha wen ti o beru ye lu ya. Wen lo ka dek. Won bo yin de na pa ma ma de kar ko ma. Acha wena te zani di kalkani acha yen leja aduga pia teri yen ne te merba ani ama be wa di kankani ibu kapeni ama mar yar di kalkani chele cham ko yen mi pe ke me ira
yo
acha wena te ka yele yen ko tiri me chene ba me chene ani ra mi
la ka che di da o lo kere ala mo pe lo ke te ko ne na che le kan dui gena che lo
kwanya chene me chani kwan chene me tien pe bi cham gang kan ba cham tien kan we cham tien pe ga ini ko ine ando tini ne ga di kan ni a wai tini ne ga tien cham pe ga
kuma no yo
kwan chene me tien
kada pe bi timo kada pe bi timo
kwanya chene ya
chene ma cha ke mi in pri bira kan
pe ga tien pe bi cham
in bira kan chene mi chene mramadi
nen ke te la ke te i wai chene pe bi me
kada wa kuma no ba ando ko pe I don't know. I think I'm more I think you get a weird caragana. Get a kilo killer ni. Chen me na ya chak me chen me bien kan.
Chen me me tam ramte.
Chen ko. Ba jera da da.
Chen me. Ba jet.
Chen ana chak me chen kan hali be chen pe gwa da.
Go ba jere.
Kan hali be chen pe gwa da no. No mana ya in bien kan no kan no ti wa tin.
Ya you na chal wi pitiu. En gina yin ngai ni en. Nene con em ni me le cho kenye
aye na moron pe aduga non dak ye ka pe
cho kenye ni me le cho mer mal
I'm tired of these drunkards. I'm tired.
Brenda, what are you going to buy today?
Hey, my friend Judith, I'm going to buy okra.
Hey, you with okra.
I like okra, you even know why.
I know that one.
Not only me, even my husband likes.
Hey, stop there. Where do you think you're going?
Look at this man.
This drunkard.
I heard the gossip that you're spoiling my wife. This is of family planning. Won malay mata.
Acha waiting you are doing.
Where anong ko nga dagana. Anong winga dagana ba anong winga dagana. Ba meron nga. Ano winga dagana kung mabeli na bara wen.
Spam. You cannot even help your husband.
Itinga da ko meron we. Ba anong winga dagana. And won tama ni won kung mabeli. Abe bala kung mabeli na kumuni abe bala ba. Abe bala kumuni ha. Tanya nangi.
Imagine Judy, this drunkard, just disrupting us like that. We are on our way to the market.
The devil is a liar.
I'm telling you.
I just feel like reaching and grabbing this woman. I
Let's-
don't want
let
to
us
know
just
what
go.
she has told the husband.
We are
I don't want to
wasting
know.
time. Action speaks
Today,
louder than
me
words.
and her.
Hey, the other time Judith was advising us about family planning. How do you see if we start that one?
Family planning. Hey, I heard that family planning is not good. Leave me.
Even me, I don't like it. That family planning makes people to be barren. Other people.
You are here now.
Hey, people, you're welcome.
Why are you annoying? Why even welcoming?
What did you tell your husband?
Please, people, leave this woman alone.
How did your husband know about our gossip?
Are you guys? I don't want to hear anything about
You don't want to know what? You have to know.
What happened?
You women, stop disturbing
I
her.
did not
We
tell
are not
anything to him.
disturbing you people. We just
I
want to know
was
the truth.
asking him to give me money for food. He started abusing me.
You're
Now
very
stupid.
Very stupid
I
indeed.
kept on telling you. Use family planning. You're there.
Use
family planning.
Leave that
You're
alone.
always
Hey,
talking about the family planning.
I
family
don't want to hear anyone
too.
talking about family. But now, you, why are you gaining weight like that?
planning. You see.
You look at her. Is your husband caring for you? Lucky people.
My friend.
Hey, Hey.
It is not about my husband.
Hey.
Family planning. Ever since I started using family planning last year.
Now for me, my husband, if he hears that I'm using it, you know he will just call me an evil woman.
Your husband is always not at home even. That is a method already.
My husband even doesn't want
What
to
if
hear
he
about
comes?
family planning.
Let us
Let
talk
us
the
leave
truth.
Judith
Family planning
alone.
is bad.
Uh-huh.
And for me, I have the sisters-in-law and brothers-in-law. The way they will beat me there in a meeting. I'm not ready. So family planning, please. Judith, go with your story.
Let us go. I was so annoyed, but now I'm happy.
See how you people, we are here, we are still talking about family planning. Do you know this woman can scream at night? I'm tired of her noise. I'm tired of this woman's noise.
You scream about
Every
what?
time you're screaming.
You have been hearing?
Hey, why do you scream at night?
My friend,
Hey,
you think I was enjoying?
hey.
I was in a serious pain, that's why I
For me, I thought you'll be enjoying. So I
Enjoying
wanted
what?
even to advise you that
it is
my
sweet
fellow
pain.
woman, please,
it
when
is
you're
sweet
doing
pain.
those things,
Yeah.
at least you scream slowly.
That is what you people you are thinking.
That is
I
the
feel
reason as to why your husband takes a lot of alcohol.
Maybe. I
Maybe.
don't know.
So I have a solution for you, my friend.
Hey, you help me.
Have you ever tried taking kalo porridge mixed with sorghum? That porridge they call bushera. Have you ever tasted it?
Is it a good one?
Oh, that one you'll spray. It will be pouring like as if
You
you're...
can have water. They call it
Love doctor.
By the way, for me also, I heard about okra. Hey, that's why
So that's a secret.
you're
I didn't know.
enjoying.
Let me tell you, have you heard about Lakwed TV? Lakwed TV. Judith.
Yes. Yes. I watched a certain program called Tampaloak. Hey, you people, you have to watch that program.
Tell us.
I heard someone saying you can just chinya.
When they said that guy doesn't want his family plan, at least he rather does.
Chinya.
But you women, for me, I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
Why?
The way you see
always
us,
not happy.
you see us. Every day she's supposed to go and hustle for her children. Do you expect her to buy a smartphone so that she can start watching those things that are on Lakwed TV? Now when you hear Lakwed TV,
What is the use of a friend? We are here to help you people.
Even I don't know how to do it.
Let me tell you.
Don't worry.
Let me tell you one thing. You just go to YouTube. You click on the word YouTube. Here, you type the word Lakwed, Lakwed, Lakwed TV.
I don't know how to write.
for me even I'm not educated.
We are helping you now. What's the use of us here? We are telling you what to do also. We are telling you what to do. When you finish this one, I have my friend called Agnes and Ruthba. They have launched their program called Kitchen Session. Those people, they prepare different types of food. Cooking food.
Even our Malakwang.
Everything.
I have to watch that program.
You better
I'm not
watch.
that perfect.
Even them no.
Even you are talking about clicking. What is that language?
Clicking. You deal.
They will deal for us. Then we go to see.
Let me show you. Let me show you. So then you write, you'll find the word add public comment. You click on it. You say, prepare for me bushera. When you take bushera and water, do you know what happens? If you're this type of crying, sit and go, because the guy is smiling here. The guy is too much. Sit and go. You're crying, making noise. You're making noise for Miriam.
And I'm tired of that
time it
noise.
will not be there. Miriam, I've saved you today. Today you'll be. You will be slippery. Like there, Otigo.
Mire, tiente guarda. What a lot, and again, near me. Boy, bad, can you young at your man? We down can and tell by level.
Nhân apa? Kan duit tak keberi keren ya. Bakal akan dah dia apa? Ini apa? Ini yum mana apa? Gue bayar lo ya. Cik ngor udah yum yum lah cuma wih ini wah. Ini inde biak. Oh ilo beri kau. Ayah biak ngoi wih ke ini. Biak apa? Biaknya kuala mau yum kan ni kuala ya dan kuala. Ayah biak ni kuala mungkin lah wih. Biak kau kuala ring mana ngoi. Cùng lo cái thì vậy đi. Cùng lo cái đó. Cùng lo cái đó tụm một cái vậy nó. Gì được, hoa mà cái nhưng có đi qua rồi như vậy. Kaan Dubai qua Betema Kaan Ola ye qua Betema